Okay, good morning guys. My name is Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to export CAD drawing of ceiling modular. Okay, that means export the ceiling to CAD drawing. Okay, so as you can see, this one is the ceiling I have. Okay, so just come to this button here, drawing, whole house. Then you see CAD drawing. Okay, click on it. You can select. Okay, so I'll just select this one only lah. Ceiling. Okay, CAD drawing. Just one click export. Okay, save to local. Now you see that CAD drawing, click on it. Okay, so this one shall be the ceiling file. Okay, ceiling. Oh, the dimension. This is the ceiling file, the ceiling CAD file. Okay, elevation also have like include this one. This is draw by ceiling also. Okay, draw by ceiling also. The wall banner background wall design. Okay, which is here. So include everything lah. This one. Okay, this pattern. Draw by ceiling also will include here. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. Bye.